Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. When women reach their 50s, many want a hairstyle that looks beautiful but is also easy to manage every day. Low maintenance haircuts are perfect because they save time, need less styling and still make you feel confident and stylish. Today let's talk about some wonderful low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. One of the most popular styles is the short bob haircut. A bob is simple, classy and easy to care for. It works well with straight, wavy or even slightly curly hair. A chin length bob can make the face look fresh and younger. Women with grey or silver hair also look very elegant with this style. You can wear it with side bangs for a soft look. Another great choice is the pixie haircut. Pixie cuts are very short and easy to style. You only need a few minutes in the morning to comb your hair and you are ready to go. This haircut is perfect for women who want comfort and a modern look at the same time. It also feels light and color. Layered haircuts are also a favorite for women over 50. Layers add movement and volume, especially for thin or fine hair. A layered shoulder length haircut can look soft and natural. It does not need too much styling and it grows out beautifully without losing shape quickly. For women with curly or wavy hair, a soft curly cut is a wonderful idea. Natural curls can look beautiful when shaped properly. Instead of fighting curls with heat tools every day, a simple curly haircut lets the hair look natural and healthy. Curl cream or light products can help keep the curls fresh and neat. The shag haircut is another stylish and easy option. Shag haircuts have soft layers and texture, giving hair a relaxed and youthful appearance. This style looks modern and works well with grey hair too. It also gives volume to thin hair without much effort. Many women over 50 also love shoulder length cuts. This length is easy to manage and allows different styles like ponytails, soft waves or simple straight hair. Shoulder length hair gives a balanced look and suits almost every face shape. Grey hair is now becoming more fashionable and accepted. Many women are choosing natural silver or grey hair color instead of regular curling. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.